Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So today in this video we are going to study about the structure of a seed, and the second one is germination of seeds. So let us study one by one. The first one is structure of a seed. So what do you mean by a seed? A seed is a tiny life supporting package which can give rise to a new plant. Means what? A new plant can form from a seed. So a seed contains mainly three parts. They are, first one is seed coat, second one is seed leaves, and the third one is embryo. Here is a picture shows the parts of a seed. The outer section is called as a seed coat. Inside the seed coat you will see the seed leaves, or we will call it as a cotyledons, where the food will store. And the third part is embryo. We called it as a baby plant. Let us study one by one. The first part is seed coat. Seed coat is a outer hard covering of seed. It acts like plastic wrap and keeps the seed and its food from drying out. And also it allows seed to remain dormant for a long time, so that the seed coat protects the baby plant until the seed germinate. The cotyledons or seed leaves are the second part of a seed. Food stored inside one or two seed leaves. Embryo uses food stored in seed to help it continue to grow. Some seeds are having two cotyledons and some are having only one cotyledons. The third part of a seed is embryo or baby plant. The embryo is a baby plant which lies between the seed leaves. Young plant that develops from the zygote. And embryo already has the beginnings of root, stem and leaves. So what is the function of each major part of a seed? Each part of the seed has a specific function to help ensure that a healthy new plant will emerge from the seed. I hope you understood this part. So now we will move for the next part, that is germination of seeds. What do you mean by germination? Germination is the process of development of a seed into a seedling. So dear children, this germination process depends on various factors given below. First one is water, second is sunlight, and third is air. The first factor is water. Inside wet soil, the seed absorbs water. Water softens the seed coat. This helps the baby plant to break the seed open and come out. The second is sunlight. It makes the seed active to grow fast. Third one is air. It is needed by the seed to breathe. If they do not get air, they do not be able to germinate. I hope you understood today's topic. So dear children, in the next video we will study about seed dispersal and its agents. If you like my video, press like button and subscribe to my channel. It's learning time.